Hello and welcome. I will be showing you the cloth add-on. So go to this link. The link will be provided. So come over here. This is the latest version. Click on the code and then click on download zip. Once it is downloaded, head back to Blender. Come over here, go to edit, preferences, and then click on install. And then locate the file wherever you downloaded it and then click on install add-on. Once it's installed, it will be listed and then click the check mark and that's it. Once you're done, it should appear over here. Press N on the keyboard and then this is the one, extended tools. So click on it and then we have the options. Okay, so let's play with this. Now I will open another file. Okay, so this is my base model that I will be using. Now I will click on this. I will press N on my keyboard and then click on extended tools. And then this is the one that is going to be the collision. So I'll click on collide and I will increase the friction value all the way to 1. Okay. And now I will create a simple plane, Shift A, mesh plane, and I will bring this up somewhere here, and then I will rotate it, press R and then press Z to rotate it along the Z axis. So this much is fine. And then I'll press tab and add subdivision, right click and then click on subdivide, and I'll increase this number of cuts to 65. Okay. And now this is the one that will be the plot. So I'll click on plot and now I will scroll down and add the gravity -4. Then I will click on continuous for the update mode and see the result. And unclick and then click on continuous to stop it. And this is the result. And now what I can do is collapse it, press Ctrl A, visual geometry to mesh. And I can press tab. And what I can do is come over here, enable proportional editing, and then select one of the vertices, and then I can just move it out. And I can adjust it and then press G to move it out, and then I can use the mouse wheel to increase or decrease the range. Then the same thing I can do with this one. Just select and then push it out. Okay, from all sides I will repeat the process. And now you can see the result, and I can right click and then add a smooth, shade smooth, and then just click on the material. And for this one, what I can do is click on this and then I'll select all of these. Let, let's exit the isolation. So this is the complete thing. So I want to bring this cloth piece that is resting on the windshield. So it's looking fine. Okay, so this is the last one. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, oh, I forgot this one. So let's do the same thing. And I can give a nice material to it. Maybe something, for example, a popping color. Okay, so there you go. All right, so this tool, it's a little bit buggy but it's work in progress. So I hope it was useful. So thank you for watching. Take care and see you next time. Bye bye.